camping. Nothing like a perfect day to go camping. See the animals from the farm. Say hello to the countrymen. The nature. Hey, watch out! Well, at least you guys have arrived faster. Wow, stunning! Hey, Thomas, what are you doing, buddy? It's not time to go to bed. Enjoy the nature. What did you bring inside your backpacks? What a bunch of junk. How about you, Thomas? What did you bring? Oh, a radio. But there is no power here. Oh, heaven, what is that? I wonder if it is an earthquake, a Bengal tiger, a brown bear, the terrible caveman? No, it's just Thomas being hungry. By the way, food is not the problem, right? No, do not tell me that the bag is empty. You ate all the food on the way. Yeah, in the woods there are many fruits. How about looking around, huh? Look, over there. What a wonderful apple. It looks like a tasty and juicy apple. Watch out! Oh God, it's raining apples! Oh, they are coming! Oh, look behind you! Grab them! Watch out! They're escaping! Don't let them get away! The apple! No! Well, at least you tried. Our friends had an exhausting day. And despite the unexpected, we have a beautiful night. Perfect to watch the stars. Better, have fun. But look what you found, Thomas, a delicious sandwich. Ah, delicious. You know, kids, it is not always easy to overcome the difficulties, but if we know how to share what we have, we will have a real friend when we are in trouble. See you!